Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
some hoagies, whatever y'all call it.
If I do this, the kids gonna be like, "Mommy, please don't do that."
They say old.
Yes. But where are these subs from, honey?
Publix.
Where shopping is a pleasure.
Where shopping is a pleasure. Not everybody at Publix though.
I know, but it's a pleasure.
It's a pleasure.
Okay, guys, we're gonna tell you what we have after you check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like outfitted. I know, see? You had me thrown off because you're watching. I know you like First Lady outfit today because I love it. You like it.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what my sandwich is. I have cracked peppermint turkey with lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, pickles.
So tell them what we got today, please.
And then Richie has turkey with lettuce, tomato, jalapenos, green peppers, and banana peppers. And we got it on a grain bread because they didn't have any more white bread. Today we just didn't feel like cooking, guys. I know it's not Fast Food Friday, but today we didn't feel like cooking.
It was a long day.
Cheers, honey. Boop.
It was a long day, family, so.
Oh. That is good.
Wow. So, I'm not gonna open it if they make it. Yeah,
That looks good, honey.
They could see it. I don't want they try and trick me and let it fall.
Listen,
I can't afford that.
I cannot have a sub without jalapenos. I have to have jalapenos. And then we have some banana chips.
Gotta have everything on this sub, girl.
Publix sub was really good.
Yep. Wow. Long day, First Lady.
Publix sub is really good because they have boar's head meat. I love Publix. You go there, they're always so nice to you. They help you find everything. Sometimes you be like, no.
No, it's still value.
They'll be like, you sure?
What? I'm very. We'll cut up your gum.
Yeah. You know why?
Green.
We usually get white bread. Because they didn't have any, but
No big deal for me. But cut up your gum though.
you have
On my nose.
you have honey mustard on here and extra mayo. I don't know how people eat a sandwich without mayo.
For real.
It's so dry.
How you like that sandwich? Mayo? I know mayo. I'm telling we have extra mayo we like for.
Hey,
Yeah.
some people don't even like mayo.
Oh.
Serious. You try the honey mustard. I mean that sweet and sour. I mean that Chick-fil-A sauce.
You got too many sauce.
Honey, I asked for about 5 sauce just now.
I heard you. Family, do y'all have Publix where you at? Let us know. I'm saying? If you're new, let us know. And watch out for the yard sandwich. Good? I'm dipping. You have some for that. How you like your sandwich?
How is it that Chick-fil-A sauce tastes good with everything? Something is it's what's in this sauce? Seriously. This is getting on my nerves. Oh.
Chick-fil-A ain't playing.
That ain't taste so good.
I'm sorry. I love my sauce.
I like when my meat. Oh my gosh. Drop oxide. I drop tomato.
Don't taste good. Sweet.
What is that?
It tastes good.
No. I love when. I forgot.
That when you meat, you were saying.
Yes. Thank you, my love. I love when my meat is sliced in. I don't like when it's thick.
Cool, thick, right?
He sliced it thick.
And me, family, watch this now. When I buy a sandwich, I don't like a lot of meat in there.
What? Well, I know that, but that I'm just pretending like I'm you guys. What?
Yep, let them know first, lady. I don't like, wipe me down. I don't like a lot of meat.
Why, honey?
Too much to eat in there. It's like, I was like, give me like 3 pieces. Look what meat I put in here right there. I like it so thickish. I just rather the mayo over it. We love mayo.
So, I want you guys see my sandwich. What's up my sandwich look?
You want to lift it up? Are you good? Got everything on it. Got the whole works.
I know what it is.
Nothing?
I know what it is.
No.
When you have too much meat, it's like you can't get like a good bite.
Bite of it.
Cause there's so much meat. You see what I'm saying?
Wow.
And he was saying yesterday that I had more seafood. You're mud.
We gotta save them up. This is my first piece. Family.
Not yesterday.
No, but this is my first piece right here.
Yeah, right.
This is my first piece right here, family. Look, still on it. She teared out the banana chip instead of the sandwich.
No. I'm eating regular. You are eating regular. That's a problem. So I'm trying to say. You don't slow down, do you?
Look, family. Oh, me? I don't go fast. See what I'm talking about? So much meat you put in there? I don't eat fast. I don't eat fast. Just enjoy my food. Do you like sandwich? Yeah, maybe I don't like sandwich. Do a lot of people like sandwiches? I don't care what it is. As long as it's not pork. I love my sandwich. But I want to see how much of y'all like mayonnaise on your sandwich. Right? So some people say, right.
Hey!
Wipe me down.
Wipe you down. A beer.
Crumbs. Crumbs in mine.
Yeah, man, too clumsy.
Like people when they go to McDonald's, they don't like cheese. And they go like chicken sandwich.
Or they don't like when they be ordering a sandwich, you like no mayo, no cheese, just the meat and lettuce and tomato. I'm like, oh no.
Yep. Damn, everything running away. Sandwich slippery one.
It's running from you.
Yeah. So what? If my mouth is dirty. It's all good in the hood. Let's put on that sandwich for me tomorrow. Family, look. I'm gonna eat on 2 pieces of sandwich and she's still on the first one. My gosh, first lady.
Can I have a napkin, honey?
You said you want more.
That was then. This is now.
We got a lot of napkins.
This sandwich messy.
Messy, man. Sweet. So, voting is finally over now. Hope all is well, huh? Hope everything go well. No?
Whatever happens, happens.
Whatever happens,
Can't
happens.
change it.
Can't change it. Pray for the best. Okay? But if y'all don't vote, there can't be no changes. So it's over now. We just wait.
Well,
Well,
people who don't vote.
no more.
Thank you. People who don't vote really shouldn't have anything to complain about. Whatever's
Not true.
going on.
But some people can't vote though, right? Not everybody's allowed to vote. No?
It's more of certain things.
Yeah. You don't know, Angels.
But number one is if you're a felon. Oh.
Yeah. Well,
Number one is if you are a felon. In some states you can't vote if you're a felon. I'm not sure if that's for all states,
yeah.
but last time I checked,
What do you think? What do you think? You think that's right? Because you're a felon, you don't have a right to voice your opinion?
I feel like if you did the time, you should get to vote. Okay?
I'm shocking, yeah.
But I feel like they use that as a way to prevent you from voting.
Okay. I'm not trying to hear.
Yeah.
That's true.
I don't think it's right. But and some people have felonies
Yeah.
for stupid things. We're not talking about a murder
Yeah.
or sexual offender. We're talking about stuff that you're young and you're dumb.
Yeah.
Even you're old and you're dumb. You just make mistakes.
True.
And then that follows you around for the rest of your life. And then how do you expect to change if every time you go for something, you're hitting a roadblock?
That's true.
You're gonna end up reverting back to what you know.
You know. So, with being said about the voting part, the same thing going with a job. I don't think they should do that same thing if you have a felon, you can't get certain jobs or they don't want to hire you. Okay? Because a lot of people that have felon what do you call it, felony? And you never know, their life probably been changed, you know? So I don't want nobody to push me away if I have a felony. And say, yo, I can't get a job because of my background.
Yeah. But a lot of those rules hopefully will change. We're pushing for change, so
That's the main thing.
yep.
Change. That's all family change. Thank you.
So but
It's not really delicious.
it's not delicious. I'm full.
Yeah, good. You see? She never didn't want to give me any. So now, that's her problem.
No.
She's gonna be stuck with it.
Grandpa.
Yeah, slide out. That's good, Joe. She's gonna be stuck with it now, family.
Stuck with it? Yeah, right. You mean stuck in your belly. In 1 hour, this is what she snacked.
Don't lie.
Okay, I'm lying. I'm lying. In 2 hours.
Maybe.
Talk the truth.
Maybe, family, because that time was good. She got a good one. So. Oh my gosh. When they're talking, you know what I'm saying?
Right. Because you're worried about my sandwich.
No, not that. Family, you see, I asked her if I could help her with the sandwich. She took her sandwich. No, But you gotta eat it for yourself. This is what I'm gonna say. Word of wisdom. Pastor Rich is in the building. Take a sip. Family. Pepper?
Jalapeno.
Always remember this. Hear what I say. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Tell me what you feel about that.
That's a great quote. You know why?
Yes.
More too often, I hear people say, "He didn't make me happy."
Yeah, exactly. She didn't make me happy.
She made me happy.
You're right.
You're supposed to be happy with yourself.
That's true.
So even if
First
you're not happy
that's
with
true.
yourself,
Yeah.
you're happy with yourself. You can be at home, watching TV, chilling.
Yeah.
If that makes you happy, that makes you happy. Excuse me. So it doesn't matter who comes in there and try to disturb your happiness, you won't let it happen, because in your mind, because in yourself,
Yeah.
I'm already happy, so I don't care what you're doing.
True.
Now, if you want to join me in the happiness, that's cool. But if you want to be miserable over there, I'm not going to then start being miserable, and I'm going to still live my life.
Yeah.
So you don't have to talk to me. You don't have to pay me no mind. You got to be happy within yourself.
In my life, I ain't gonna sing this song for first. They send me a copyright.
Hold up.
That sandwich been bid from a long time, and you grab it from me. Remember that been bid that family? I buy your sandwich, and you said no. I don't want your sandwich. I want my own sandwich. And you took it from me and put it on her. You never see. She don't see what's going on when you move too fast. You see? We share with y'all.
I'm full.
We appreciate y'all.
Yeah, my nose.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
The Greedy Family. I feel like this is messy.
It is a messy one. I do a sandwich. It's supposed to be messy. What do you think it is? Get them an ultra. And something with a banana chip.
No, you rush me one more time and see what happens. Rush me, watch.
We have something to take care of.
What?
Give the
Okay,
ultra.
we gotta go, guys.
We don't want no clothes.
You don't gotta tell me that twice.
Yeah, ultra. So that is
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
I gotta go. Let's go.